So, a while ago, you had your dance number, and the other one is also a song number. Now, you will also have a cultural presentation. Grabe, varied. We have varied presentations today. So, let me now give you the dance floor to Paul, Jan, Sariana, Sherin, and Sherlyn Sibogiero for their dance number entitled Tiklos. By the way, what is Tiklos? Tiklos is a native dance of Pampanga. A Pampangueño dance which is danced by during lunch break. So what is now, diba? Lunch break man. So ato sa na siyang pasayaw sa ilaha kay para malingaw ta. Unsa gid yung tiklos? Ang ako naibaw ang tiklo raman. So, let me now give the floor to Paul, John, Sherin, and Sherlyn for their dance number entitled Tiklos. Atong pakpakan! Hinayra. Di kita magsugod. Speechless jud ko. Pagtanaw na ko, sus, pareho lagi sila now. No, di ay kaluha di ang duha ka laki, kaluha sa dang duha ka babay. Hopo ka baw. No, kinsa may mga kaliwatan ani. Isa ka mo. O atong pakpakan. Usay amahan ani. Asa nga amahan ani? Wow, patudlo himo og kaluha. Nindot kayo mga talentadong Pinoy, no? So, kung inaanak naman lang ko din mga Kampo Mayor ba, makaanag yun ko na, sus, grabe. Proud naman dyan ko daan na Kampo Mayor ko, no? Ni samut, abot na sa langit akong kuan, ka-proud, na natay mga parihan na inani na mga talentado. Dili lang giday sa batasan, mo excel ang ato ang kaliwat, mo excel po giday ta sa mga talento, no? We excel not only in our, kinahanglan ko magkuhan ha, in English, ginagmay ha. We excel not only in our talents and skills, but also we not only excel in our attitudes and character qualities, but we also excel in our talents and abilities. So, another song number will be given to you, will be rendered. Are you ready? Kani siya nakanta, kanahan jud kay ko ani kay mao maguni siya ang kantahon. This is a song which is an anthem for a united family. No? Are you familiar with the song Tanging Yaman? Yes. So, I just want you to nail on this artist because she will be singing the song and the lyrics of the song will really portray the Tanging Yaman, the heritage of our Campo Mayor clan. So without further ado, let me give you the floor to John Benedict. Lalaki din ang kanta. Di ko alam mag, no? John Benedict Sariana with a song entitled Tanging Yaman. Kusga ang pakpak. Hinay ragyapon. Again, kusga. Pinakakusog. Hinay. Kusog. Hinay. Kusog. Okay, gibinuangan rata mo. So, asa naman siya? Uy, ikaw na gigap. Ay, nako. Inyo na lang tanan ang mga talent doon. Pang-susad na, uy. Sige, again, another round of applause to John Benedict Sariana. Daghan jud kay mga talent. O gamay na lang jud ko ang dong moabot na jud ka sa The Voice. Asa man ka na team? Imong gusto mapilian? Ha? Wala. Ato ka sa team Campo Mayor. Ay mauna ato ang team. Let me now move on to the next presenter, to the next person who will sing another song. Di kay ko familiar sa mga batanon ng mga kanta, no? Kaya tiguang naman ko. So, we have Mary Rose Kamahalan to sing the song entitled Sway. A round of applause, please.
Don't stray, don't never go away. There should be much more for this. You know it gets the better of me sometimes. When you and I collide, I fall into an ocean of you. Pull me out in time, don't let me drown. Let me down. I say it's all because of you. And here I go, losing my control. I'm practicing your name so I can say it to your face. It doesn't seem right to look you in the eye and let the things you made to me come tumbling to my mind. Indeed, it's time to tell you why. I say it's all because of you. And knowing to be sure where everything's turned inside out and stealing so much that it makes me so sad. Sunlight's inspired, my head is battling with my heart. My logic has been turned apart and now all turns hard. Come sweeten every afternoon. But you say you it's time to tell you why. I say it's infinitely true. Say you come and go like you do. Sway my way, yeah, I need to know all about you. Sway my way, yeah, I need to know to have you. Sway my way, yeah, I need to know all about you. It's all because of you. It's all because of you. It's all because of you. Thank you.
Sit back and relax for the last, but not the least, no? Because we still have a lot of things in store for you for this afternoon. So, without further ado, let me now give the floor to Stella Maris Cantil for her song entitled Jesus Takes the Wheel. A round of applause, please.
She was driving last Friday on her way to Cincinnati on a snow white Christmas Eve. Going home to see her mama when he chatted with a baby in the backseat. 15 miles ago, she was running low on faith and gasoline. It'd been a long, hard year. She had a lot in her mind and she didn't pay attention. She was going way too fast. Before she knew what she was spinning on a thin black sheet of glass. She was so bored and lives flashed before her eyes. She didn't even have the time to cry. She was so scared. She threw her hands up in the air. Jesus, take the wheel, take it from my hand, 'cause I can do this on my own. I'm letting go, so give me one more chance to save me from this road I'm on. Jesus, take the wheel. Paano ko, guys? That's normal. It was too good and cold when she made it to a shutter on a car came to a stop. She cried when she saw that baby in the backseat sleeping like a rock. And for the first time in a long time, she bowed her head to pray. She said, I'm sorry for the way I've been living my life. I know I've got to change.